So hello and welcome. We're finally at the first location, and there's a lot of outbuildings, and this is the first one I've come to look in. Vauxhall Corsa, 1985. Fiat Punto. Oh, that's not 1985. That's the buck number. That's pretty cool. Land Rover Discovery. A couple of Haynes manuals. Oh, another one over here. Peugeot 306. We've got a Discovery. We've discovered a Discovery book. Yeah, there's more outbuildings, so we're going to check out all these. That's pretty cool. Oh. An old car. That's a shame, that is, to leave that like that. Loads of asbestos everywhere. That's a really cool picture, that is. Why would they leave this car? It's a cool little car, this is. Suicide doors too. There's asbestos everywhere. And I don't like that stuff, as you know. The engine's missing. Engine's gone. Tyres are bloody bulge. Oh crap. What are these tail lights from? They're pretty cool, aren't they? Look. I wonder what those from. There's bloody loads of them, look. And you got the amber ones. I wonder if that's off these types of old vehicles. I wonder if these are vintage. I don't think they are though, because they're plastic. Old basket there. This is a bit of a basket case itself. Oh. Let's get inside and see what we can see. Oh shit. Oh blimey. Whew. All the dash is falling out. Still got the mirror. The mirror's actually gone, but the glass still in place. Sun visors. It's actually convertible, this one is. The roof goes back on itself. Yeah, she shouldn't be here. Most of the things that we find shouldn't be here, but yeah, here they sit. Oh god. The seat still moves and whatever else, but it's a damn shame. Let's get over here now. Oof. I was going to see if we can find something else. So this place is filled with loads of car parts. They're everywhere, tyres a lot. I'm pretty sure that's off a little Fiat. But everywhere you go, there's car parts smashed to pieces everywhere. So hopefully we're onto a right little gem here. Let's see if we can find anything worth recording. I've found some cars, ladies and gentlemen. A little Suzuki thing here. Another car over there. Anybody want any tyres? There's plenty of them. This is a mess. It's just got rubbish everywhere. Car parts of all sorts of what the hell is that thing? Old Nissan. Yeah, I think it's an old Nissan of some sorts. Not the classic cars we're looking for, but it's something, I guess. Let's keep looking. See, no matter where you go, you always come across something that's Ford. That's a Ford Capri bonnet, and to be fair, not in that bad of a nick, but it wasn't until it's been thrown about. Range Rover steering wheel. That's still pretty decent. There's like a plethora of parts, of car parts, they're just everywhere. Range Rover. See, that's worth saving. I mean, the car parts here are unreal. They're just everywhere. Just keep going. There's just whoa. Another place that's just been dumped with shitloads of car parts. Whole back end of a digger. So this place was said to have plenty of cars. It's got plenty of cars, but not in the way that they should be. They've kind of been munched chewed up and spat out. Classic Range Rover wheel. Oh God. Engine block. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I'm home. This is my home. Got my cup down there, look, as you see. Whoa. Stinks. Smells like one of those lay-by burger vans. The area is just full of abandoned car parks galore, just abandoned shop areas. Kind of feel like I'm on an abandoned gypsy site. It's kind of feel like home. This is the sort of thing I used to always explore. It's certainly abandoned something. Anyway, gonna see a Mars in. Oh, this one stinks. No way. What the hell happened here? Why does everything just get left? Still got the man's belt there, look. That's definitely a gypsy belt. All the Dementis and stuff on it. I'm stuck. Oh God. Yeah. You've seen one of them, you've seen a million of them. Well, as you can see here, this gypsy site, they must have had a proper party. They even turned their houses upside down. Yep, the boys weren't happy. Let's have a bloody swimming pool here, look. So of all the places I've been, this has to be up there with the best. I've been kind of uneasy feeling, you get dodgy. So we've actually come to this location to look for a jet plane, a jet car. A few buses here, look, we'll have a look at these buses while we're here. Good film. Cranham. Yeah, this bus has been in some rollover by the looks of it. Yeah, I'll go look over here, some cars over here. Oh God. God, this place is so wet. Got a usable steely in the back. What's the mileage on this old girl? 142,000. Not the worst mileage. These are any good up for an easy 500,000 if they're looked after. But this one is not looked after, it's been abused. It's like everything's been smashed up, like this was, it's like this was a, hold on. Keeps getting all wet. It's like this was a proper gypsy site and they, something went down. The stuff I do, I had to get a bit of footage. Weather's absolutely fantastic. This looks like a nice car on still. Alright. Got a low rider caravan there. I think we've been seen by somebody. Need to move away from here now. God, all the tyres. Can you guess where we are yet, ladies and gentlemen? Gonna ask for a Goodyear tyre. Wow, what's that is? Proper smash that has. Oh, I think that was a monster truck edition. Certainly nothing left of that car. Wow. So yes, this is where we are, ladies and gentlemen. SANTAPOD Raceway. Unreal. These cars have got squashed. So we came to SANTAPOD to look at the iconic jet-powered car. But like most places, I'm a little too late for this one. The jet-powered car no longer exists. Let's go and see if we can find something else somewhere else. I'm miserable now.